Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to disable or enable email notifications in GoCardless. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply go to GoCardless.com and hit on enter right now. You simply need to log in. If you have not signed up, do sign up right now. We have already covered that in our previous video. Now this is the dashboard. What I want to do to disable email notifications is simply go to settings. The settings is right here at the top right. Simply click on this button. A pop-up will open and from here there will be lots of settings, but right now we need to focus only on this user settings tab. Simply click on it. Now let's scroll down. Now you will see something like email notifications. It's enabled right now. If you do not want any notifications, you can simply turn it off and save changes. But in case you want notifications and it's turned off, enable it right now and again click on save changes. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you enable or disable email notifications on your GoCardless account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.